This video will demonstrate how to install the Leviton DSF01 Decora Rocker Slide Quiet Fan Speed Control. Please be certain to follow all wiring instructions and diagrams provided with the product. If you're unsure about any part of the instructions, or if you're not comfortable or familiar with working with electrical wiring, contact an electrician. When installing and terminating this Leviton device, have the following tools on hand: a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, electrician's pliers, a wire stripper, electrical tape, a handheld voltage tester, and properly sized wire connectors. This installation takes approximately 15 minutes. The process shown follows general guidelines. Local codes take precedence. Be sure to turn the power off at the circuit breaker and use a voltage tester to ensure that the power is completely off. Now, we need to identify the hot wire. To do this, turn the circuit breaker back on. Carefully use the voltage tester to test each wire. The hot wire will be indicated by the tester. Once identified, turn off the circuit breaker to shut power and test to ensure that the power is off. Use a small piece of electrical tape to label the hot wire. Identify whether the wiring application is single pole or a three-way application. If the wiring in the wall box does not resemble either of these configurations, consult an electrician. We will proceed with a single pole application. Visit youtube.com/Leviton to view a three-way installation video including how to wire the matching remote. Note: a neutral is not required for this installation. In this example, in the wall box there is one black wire which is the hot, a bare copper wire which is the ground, and a black wire which is the load wire. Keep in mind, the color of the wires can vary. The hot wire may be black or red. The ground wire could be green or bare copper. If you're unsure, contact an electrician. Make sure that the ends of the wires from the wall box are straight and stripped approximately 5/8 of an inch. If not, you may need to cut them. To wire, take the green ground lead on the device and the ground wall box wire and twist in a clockwise direction. Insert them into a properly sized wire connector and twist the connector until the conductors bottom out inside and can't be twisted further. Next, wire together the black lead on the device and the black hot wall box wire. Finally, wire together the red lead on the device and the black load wall box wire. The remaining red control lead, which is used for three-way applications, should have red insulation label affixed. If the insulating label is not affixed, use electrical tape or a wire connector to cover. Dress the terminated wires with electrical tape to ensure stability before the device is installed in the wall box. The device is now terminated. Before mounting, we're going to test the fan speed control. Restore power at circuit breaker or fuse. Carefully holding the fan speed control, move slider control lever to the highest position and press the top of the Decora rocker. Fan should turn on to highest speed. If the fan does not turn on, refer to the troubleshooting section of the instruction sheet. Turn off power at circuit breaker or fuse. Installation may now be completed by carefully positioning all wires to provide room in the wall box for the control. Mount control into the wall box with mounting screws. Attach wall plate. Your Leviton DSF01 Decora Quiet Fan Speed Control is ready for use. For more information about the DSF01 Decora Quiet Fan Speed Control from Leviton, visit leviton.com/Decora.